Hey, what's up guys? Fahed Zaman here. In this video, I'm going to talk about BitMart. BitMart is a spot and futures cryptocurrency exchange. BitMart is a decent option for moderate and advanced crypto traders who want access to a wide range of coins and futures trading with leverage, all with lowest trading fees. This exchange offers a large collection of cryptocurrencies to purchase and trade, especially those looking for less popular crypto options. So the link is available in the video description. If you create an account on this website, you can win up to $3,000 welcome bonus. You just need to complete simple tasks and win up to $3,000. First, if you sign up to this platform, you can win up to $500 bonus. It's your luck, you should must try. So let's sign up for a new account. Enter your email address and password. So enter the referral code here. Then click on the checkbox. I certify that I am 18 years of age and I agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Then click on sign up. Enter your email verification code. And here you can claim your bonus. Next, you can deposit $150 or more to get up to $1,000 bonus. If you have crypto on your wallet or on other exchange, you can click on deposit now, or if you don't have crypto, you can buy it. And then you can also trade of $150 or more to qualify for $1,500 bonus. So BitMart is the most trusted cryptocurrency exchange and digital asset trading platform for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether and altcoins. BitMart currently offers 1000 plus trading pairs with one of the lowest trading fees in the market. They have over 9 million users. After creating an account, you need to verify it. Click on verification and must complete your level 1. Click on verify now. Choose the country, first name, last name and date of birth. Then click on confirm. As you can see, level 1 is completed. You can deposit, withdraw, buy crypto, sell crypto with no limits. And if you want, you can also complete your level 2 verification. For this, you need your government ID card and facial verification. So if you want to buy cryptocurrency on BitMart, buying cryptocurrency is rather easy on BitMart and you can do it without putting in too much effort or wasting your precious time. The first thing you need to do is click on buy and sell. Once you have clicked on the button, here enter the amount and you have to select your preferred method of purchasing. The platform supports multiple payment methods including credit card, debit card, bank transfer, Apple Pay, PayPal and gift cards. After selecting the payment method, choose the cryptocurrency you would like to purchase. You can purchase any asset available on the list and can trade it later for another cryptocurrency that you cannot purchase directly. BitMart not only supports spot trading but also allows you to trade with leverage. If you are an experienced trader looking for a reliable future trading platform, then BitMart is an excellent option. The leverage you can use on some cryptocurrencies ranges between 5x to 100x and can benefit you in the short term. However, futures trading is highly risky and it is only advised for traders who understand the market and are willing to take the risk. If you are new to crypto trading, you can practice future trading on BitMart with virtual money and can see whether you are able to open good trades or not. If you are looking to leverage trade bitcoins up to 100x, sign up on BitMart today. You can also use the link in the description to claim a bonus on your first deposit. BitMart also has the option of staking. Staking is the process of holding funds in a cryptocurrency wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. Holders are rewarded for simply depositing and holding coins on BitMart as they normally would. Staking at BitMart is available for hundreds of different cryptos with very different APYs, annual percentage yield, which essentially is the same as interest rates. You can choose the time period, click on stake, enter the amount and click on stake. So BitMart also offers its platform as a web and mobile application. So if you have an iPhone, an iPad or an Android phone, you don't even need a desktop to start trading crypto at BitMart. Just download the app from App Store or Google Play Store. So the link is available in the video description. So if you are looking for a reliable cryptocurrency exchange that is easy to use and does not cause any complications, then BitMart is an ideal option for you. The link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment on below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.